In 2026, the global energy sector is making headlines, and today we're exploring exactly why. A rare convergence of geopolitics, technology, and surging demand is reshaping the world's energy landscape. Today, we'll unpack the major forces driving this global power boom, from Middle East tensions to the insatiable energy appetite of artificial intelligence. Stay with us, because this one affects everyone. Hello everyone, and welcome to Funda-IQ. Before we dive in, this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Nothing here is financial advice. Always consult a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. We break down what's happening in global markets, economics, and business in plain English every week. Just how strong is the rally? The S&P 500 energy sector is up a staggering 26% as of April 2026, making it one of the best performing sector in the entire index. That's not a blip, that's a structural shift. So what lit the fuse? The immediate catalyst is the 2026 Iran conflict. Rising military tensions in one of the world's most critical energy corridors sent shockwaves through global oil markets almost overnight. Disruptions in the Strait of Hormuz, through which roughly 20% of the world's oil flows, sent Brent crude surging to $126 per barrel. That's a level we haven't seen in years, and it's reshaping the entire energy landscape. For the oil majors, companies like ExxonMobil, Shell, and BP, this price spike has translated into significantly higher revenues and cash flows. It's a notable shift in the financial landscape of the sector, reflecting just how sensitive these businesses are to oil price movements. When crude spikes, the revenues of these giants move in lockstep, and the world takes notice. But here's the bigger story, the one that goes beyond geopolitics. The real structural driver of this energy boom is artificial intelligence and the explosive growth of data centers powering it. Every AI query, every model training run, every cloud computation, it all requires massive amounts of electricity. Tech giants are racing to build data centers at unprecedented scale, and the grid simply wasn't built for this. The numbers are staggering. Thanks to AI-driven demand, global electricity consumption is expected to double by 2030. That's not gradual growth, that's an energy revolution happening in real time. And the clean energy sector is rising to meet that demand. Global investment in clean energy has hit a record-breaking $2.2 trillion, a clear signal that the world is betting big on a sustainable energy future. Solar power is leading that charge. Solar PV now accounts for 25% of all new global energy capacity, a remarkable milestone that would have seemed impossible just a decade ago. Quick pause. If you're finding this valuable, go ahead and hit the like button right now. It really helps us reach more people. And drop a comment below. We'd love to know what you think about the global energy shift. The International Energy Agency puts it plainly. Electricity demand will grow 2.5 times faster than total energy consumption over the coming decade. Electricity isn't just part of the energy story, it is the energy story. Meanwhile, OPEC projects that global oil demand will continue rising all the way through 2050. Despite the clean energy push, fossil fuels remain a significant part of the global energy mix. Understanding that dynamic is essential to making sense of today's energy landscape and why the conversation around energy transition is so much more nuanced than the headlines suggest. For everyday consumers, this energy surge has a very real cost. US gasoline prices have crossed $4.25 per gallon, and that pain at the pump is rippling through the entire economy. Higher energy costs mean higher prices for groceries, transportation, and goods across the board. Household budgets are under pressure, and discretionary spending is taking a hit, a dynamic that's weighing on consumer confidence. From a market observation standpoint, higher energy prices have historically had mixed effects, benefiting producers while squeezing consumers and other industries. It's a complex picture, and one that plays out differently depending on where you sit in the economy. Market data shows notable flows into energy-related equities and utilities during this period. Whether that trend continues depends on a wide range of factors, from geopolitical developments to central bank policy. We're simply observing what the data shows, not drawing conclusions about what comes next. Looking ahead, energy security is becoming a top national priority. Governments worldwide are accelerating domestic production, diversifying supply chains, and reducing dependence on geopolitically unstable regions. AI and electrification will continue to accelerate the clean tech transition. But make no mistake, fossil fuels will remain a critical part of the global energy mix for decades to come. The future is both green and conventional. So to summarize, the 2026 energy rally reflects a rare convergence of forces: geopolitical disruption, the AI electricity boom, and a global clean energy transformation, all unfolding at the same time. Understanding these dynamics helps us make sense of the world we're living in. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to Funda-IQ. Share this with someone who needs to understand what's happening in the world of energy. And leave a comment below. What topic should we cover next? We read every single one. See you in the next one. Important disclaimer. This video is produced for educational and entertainment purposes only. Nothing in this video constitutes financial advice or any recommendation to buy or sell any financial instrument. Funda-IQ is not authorized or regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority. Always consult a qualified FCA-authorized financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Past performance is not a reliable indicator of future results.